welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, then a little introduction. This is a place to share stories, adventures, and everything I wish I had known before embarking on them. My name is Drina, and you're watching From Fiji to Here. Welcome to Portugal. If you're sensing a trend here, it would be that on this adventure, we did a lot of night trains and buses. I'd be lying if I said that we weren't happy to see our final night train from Barcelona to Lagos, a little beachside village I would have known nothing about if it weren't from word of mouth from another traveler. I think Sierra and I can both agree that it was one of the best locations of our trip. In fact, we decided to save Lisbon for a whole nother adventure and extend our stay in Lagos. Getting off the night train and heading to our accommodation, exhausted and hungry, but being energized by the good vibes of the village and sunshine, we just barely met our host and dropped off our bags before making our way to the marina for our boat tour. Another tour I would highly recommend. We went with, I'll insert the name of the company here, but they served us a delicious lunch and drinks, amazing company, as we toured through the rocks of the Ponta de Piedade and went swimming in the turquoise waters. in need of some serious carbs, we headed out to find what I deem my favorite breakfast spot, Little Breakfast, before heading down to the beaches, and discovering how when the tide is out, they all connect through the rock formations. Day 3 in Lagos actually made it on my list of top 5 favorite days from this 2.5-month journey. We loaded on the sunscreen and packed up all the waters and made our way to hike to the Ponte Piedad lighthouse. Taking in the journey from the rocks above instead of the water below as we had previously, the sunshine was beautiful and it felt amazing just getting to soak in all of the natural beauty and the fresh air, especially after spending so much time in cities.
So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
Knowing this was our last warm weather before heading north again, we enjoyed every last moment of daylight on the beach before heading for all-you-can-eat sushi as the sun set. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below, as well as any videos you'd be interested in seeing. Also, if you like this video, be sure to give it that thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to be notified of more like it, as well as to join me on my future journeys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next destination. Bye guys!